our solar system. It's not alone in space. The universe has endless mysteries. Astronauts will find out that what she got the star instead turned out to be it's a planet Janet, she's a galaxy girl. The solar system is from a future world. She travels like a rocket with her comet team. There's never been a planet Janet hasn't seen. Never been a planet Janet hasn't